It's a major security breach. A computer engineer from Rajasthan posing as an army captain accessed high security installations in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Several fake ID cards and documents have been seized from his possession. The imposter is said to have developed a relationship with a nurse working at an army hospital in Satwari and has told the police this is the reason for his making all of these fake documents. But the police is not really buying that theory at its face. Let's go across to Pradeep Datta, who's joining us with more details on this. Pradeep, clearly the honey trap angle is being looked at. What is now the security apparatus probing? Why could this man have posed as an army captain?
See, you're absolutely right. It is one of the major army security breach in the army installation because this man had been posing as a captain. He was finding entry into several important army installations, including the Nagrota Corps and Satwari Army Hospital, as well as also in some of the areas in Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. Right now, his interrogation is on, and though he has said that he was having a relationship with one of the nurses who is working in the hospital, just for meeting that lady, he has developed these, fabricated these fake documents. But police is not buying the theory because it appears that why he had been going to different places because he's a computer engineer. There is every possibility that he may be working for some of the spy agencies. They are trying to look into the ulterior motives of this man, and they are trying to find out what actually has he information he has collected, and has he passed on the information to some other person. Maybe there is every possibility that he was trying to use this nurse as a bridge to find entry at several places, because during interrogation he has revealed that he was also present during the passing out parade of the nurses at Dehradun. But one thing becomes quite clear, that this man had been very intelligent, and intelligently he had been able to checkmate the army authorities, because these are the areas where without proper permission, proper documents, one cannot enter. He was not only having the fake I card, he used to don the army uniform and used to have the captain rank with him, and also he was carrying the several other documents. So police is right now trying to find out. Besides this, once he has also revealed during the interrogation that nurse got suspicious about his activity. So he made one court-martial document. He said that his court-martial was going on, but he was acquitted later, and he has shown him the rejoining letter also. So this man is a very intelligent person. So police is trying to interrogate, and they have already got in touch with the army authorities, but this man is yet to be handed over to the army authorities to find out the further details.